Good morning, fishermen. Sun's just starting to come up. Clouds are moving in from the southwest. They'll get blown out in here this afternoon. Forecasting 30 knots. That's all good. Gonna get some fish while we can, eh? Rightio, fishermen. We've got a fish on. Fish on the old wobbly jetty. Trying to go around the corner. Gotta put the pressure on him, eh? What do you reckon about this, Andrew? Every day's a good day to get a fish. Or two. Or 10. Or 20. Come on, fishy. Come away from the Ralpho. A bit of weight to it, this one. Giving a good account. Come on, Bubba, hope I can let you go. I want to give up. There it is. Getting closer. Yep, hooked in the corner of the mouth. This one's going back. Come on, Bubba. Come to the net. Oh yeah, nice fish. Yep, good fish, nice solid jack. Put him back where he came from. Oh, there we go, great fish. 5.5. Yeah, 5 3/4. Stunning fish, jack. No crack on the head for this one. And go back to where he came from. Yep. There's the weight. Gone.